So this is a quick video just to finish off my series on the Christmas pastrami. So I've skipped a little bit, as I think you can see. I took it out of the fridge, I washed it off, patted it dry, gave it a few hours just to get a bit of stickiness in the fridge, to a bit of pellicule, I think it's called in French, I think it's a French word. And then I smoked it for 5 hours in my cold smoker, which you saw. And obviously then the last stage was cooking. 3 hours of simmering in some just plain water basically, and it was tied obviously to form a round shape. I put cellophane around it, fridged it for 24 hours, and I'll show you how it cuts. It cuts very nicely. So you just want a thin slice. My knife here is actually a really nice knife, Dell Strong ham slicer, and you can see it's got a lovely red colour to it, and it's firm, the meat, and the colours from the nitrites, but it's really good, really tender, just what you wanted for Christmas. So you know, in a sandwich, that's kind of like a pastrami stroke corned beef. There we are, Christmas brisket pastrami, done.